issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Oconee County in northeastern Georgia, Barrow County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Clark County in northeastern Georgia, northeastern Walton County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Jackson County in northeastern Georgia, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bold Springs, or near Winder, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winder, Watkinsville, Auburn, Statham, Bogart, North High Shoals, Bethlehem, Athens, Clark County, Westgate Park, Bear Creek Reservoir, Fort Yargo State Park, Oconee Heights, Eastville, Nicholasville, Canton, Russell, and Gratis. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.